Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Today it's going to be a different kind of reading, guys. I'll be picking 3 cards. One card for your past energy, one card for your present, guys, and one card for your future. So we will turn the cards as we proceed, guys. So what was your past energy? Be tolerant. So this relates to your past, Gemini. So whatever that has happened, maybe in certain situations, we should not give immediate reaction. We should not react immediately. Whatever the situation may be, we should not react in a destructive manner and offend the people. We should have that that balance. We should find the balance in any situation. We should observe the situation, and we should have a total assessment of the particular situation. We should think impartially. We should also consider the other person's point of view before taking a stance and reacting or acting on a particular situation. We should never react immediately in any way to hurt the other person in a destructive manner. So we can change a negative situation into a positive one when we do not react immediately, guys. When we think clearly, when we find the balance in that particular situation, and when we respond instead of reacting, we will make that negative situation into a positive one. So this was your energy, or this is what you would have felt about your past, about this person, or what this person would have felt about you. So what is your present, Gemini? What is your present energy? It's an angel card. So maybe for some of you all, you are going through some legal matters, some things that need to be resolved, some kind of disputes or quarrels, something, guys, but you need to do it with maintaining harmony, and you should see any situation impartially, without fear or judgments in your mind. You should have that clarity in your thought, and you should not be emotional. When you have that clarity, and when you do not have those emotions that are blocking you to see the truth, you will see the right course of action in any situation. So you should be totally impartial of all the parties involved. Even if you are involved in such conflicts, you have to see yourself as a third person, and you have to think out a solution with that clarity in your mind, guys. So when you do that, you will surely reach a solution, Gemini. So that is the angel's guidance for you all today. So to be fair in any situation to yourself and the other person. So let us see what is your future. Silence your thoughts. Maybe sometimes we go on thinking certain things again and again, things that are causing great stress to us, that worry us a lot about the past, about the future, about what will happen. So we need to stop all that. It will just prevent us from enjoying what is there today. So we need to keep ourselves very quiet, give up all that negative thoughts, whatever we have, and we need to find time to be alone in order to give up those thoughts and understand our clear self, guys. Whatever we have to do, or whatever we need to do, we have to have that understanding. So in order to have that understanding, you should first quieten your mind. So maybe for some of you all, you can take up to meditation, guys, if you are really interested in, you can take up meditation. It really works wonders. It just helps you to clear your mind, and you can see any situation from a new perspective without your mind trying to control that situation or judge that particular situation. So that is the energy for your future, guys, Gemini. So you need to silence your thoughts and take to calmness of your mind through meditation, or by having some alone time thinking clearly. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for today, Gemini. I hope you like the reading today, guys. If you like the reading, please comment, and if it resonated with you all, please comment, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.